Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on your Hyundai Veloster. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving time and money. Keeping your wipers in good condition is crucial for clear visibility and safety, especially during inclement weather. We'll walk through each step, making sure you feel confident to tackle this job. Let's get started and give your Veloster the clear view it deserves. Before we begin, let's gather what you need. First, acquire new wiper blades. For many Veloster models, the driver's side is commonly 26 inches and the passenger side is 18 inches. Always double-check your vehicle's manual or existing blades for exact measurements. The good news is, you typically won't need any special tools for this job. Just grab a soft towel to place on your windshield for protection, and you're all set. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the donor vehicle. Let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Porsche's battery. After this charging period, try to start your Porsche 911. If it doesn't start on the first attempt, wait another 2 to 3 minutes with the donor car still running, then try again. It should typically start within a few tries. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards along the arm until you hear or feel a secure click, indicating it's locked into place. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Finally, turn on your Veloster and test the new wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.